Good day, folks. Welcome to my channel, Glitzy Glam, and today we'll be unboxing Boxycharm, August 2019. So, I've already cut my box open, and just so you'll know, this is my first time seeing everything that I have gotten in my box. So, we are sharing this experience together. Alright, let's see. When I first opened the box, this card this month really catches my eye. It says, totally Boxycharm. And on the back, it's just a list of things that I have received. So let's go through it. So, like I expected, the Boxycharm box that they actually put on Instagram is the Boxycharm box that I have gotten. So, I've seen all of these products. This here doesn't have anything on the side. Let's see what it says on. This is Ace Beauty, and this is Iced Latte. It's a glimmer shadow. This one here is called Cotton Candy. What a cute name. This here is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So I am assuming that you put this oil on your face before you apply your makeup, and most likely after primer. Next, I see a Steve Laurent pencil. And I'm not sure. Let's see what the card says. It's a lip pencil. You can reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. That's what it says. No transferring or bleeding, and it's an all-day wear. Lasts up to 7 hours. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that. And it's in the color Chic. Chic, I mean. So, I'm sure that's a brown color. Next, this is the only thing in the box I was excited about getting, which is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This should set your makeup and make it look professional. I am very, very, very excited to try this product. And if you follow them, or if you look on YouTube, you're basically going to see all of the things that they already have said that you're going to get. Okay, right away, I see a problem. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. But the problem is, guys, look. I'm going to hold it up and show you. There isn't any powder in here, guys. There's no powder in here. This is just basically hardly any powder. So, let's see how much it says it is. It says that the Becca Hydra Mist Refreshing Powder is labeled at $39. So, I think for $39, you should definitely be getting more powder than this. If I can focus my camera in. You see that big old gap? That is unacceptable, Becca. Alright, so the last product that I have received is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Personally, guys, I'm tired of mascara. I get mascara at least 9 months out of 12 months, out of the 12 boxes that we get. It's time to give me something else other than mascara. Somebody please tell them that we want something other than mascara every darn box. I'm tired of it. Well, here's a look at my total box. Well, here it is, guys. My whole box for the month of August. There's some cool things in here, some cool things to try. This is something that I have never tried before, as well as these colors should be interesting. I think that these colors are gonna be a great color to use on the lids of your eyes, not necessarily to be a base, or to cut the crease would be good to cut the, you know, the crease with those, or that's pretty much it, because they're so shimmery that I doubt if you can do anything else with these. But the good thing about that is you wouldn't have to cut your crease with any concealer or anything. I think that these are probably as pigmented as it looks. I'm interested in trying the illuminating oil with my foundation. I feel like in the summertime this would be perfect, glowy, none dry looking. You know, that's gonna be a really good thing. And hopefully, like the Lights Camera Action mascara, the purple one, I don't know if I'm quoting the name right, but hopefully like that Tarte mascara, this is one that doesn't clump, doesn't leave your eyelashes feeling like they're heavy when you're putting your lashes on, and just feels natural, on, you know, as natural as it can be with it being mascara. So I'm looking forward to trying this, even though I am tired of getting mascara. The Steve Laurent, if you are a person who likes to line your lips, I'm sure that you're going to enjoy this, because it does look like a neutral tone that would help you stay in line with putting your lipstick or lip gloss on. The Becca powder, I am very interested in trying. I heard that it's very fine, that it just melts into your skin. So hopefully that's what it gives, girls. So you can follow Boxycharm here at any one of these social media platforms, or their website, which is www.boxycharm.com. Have a wonderful day, guys.